Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this lesson, we will learn the conjugation ba or the ba form. Clause A, ba, clause B. If A, then B. So, this is the grammar pattern. Clause A, ba, clause B. A is the condition and B is the guaranteed consequence. If you do A, B will certainly follow. So this is another type of if sentence, but the consequence is certain or guaranteed. For example, we have the sentence, Kurumaga areba iro-iro na tokoro ni ikemasu. If you have a car, you can go to various places. So, areba comes from aru. Aru, are, areba. Another, kage o kakete okeba if you lock the doors. So, te okeba comes from teoku, which we have learned in lesson 15, part 3. So, kage o kakete okeba if you lock the doors, dorobo ni hairaremasen. The thief won't be able to enter. So, we use hairaremasen, and this is the passive form, which we have learned in lesson 21, part 1. Kage o kakete okeba dorobo ni hairaremasen. If you lock the doors, the thief won't be able to enter. Okay, so here the actions in the first clause guarantee a good consequence or a certain consequence will follow. Okay? So how do we conjugate the dictionary form of the verbs into the ba form? So we just drop the final u and add a ba. For example, iyu to say. So here we have the hiragana ladder, iyu, and this is iyu. We change it to iye and then add ba, ieba, ieba. Okay, that's how simple it is. Same with verbs ending in ru. For example, taberu, tabere, and then ba, tabere, ba. Okay, so we do the same with the other conjugations, with the other kinds of verbs. Verbs ending in su, matsu, mate, ba, mate ba. Verbs ending in u again, like kau, kau, kae, kae ba. Verbs ending in ku, iku, ike, ba. For irregular verbs like suru, suru, sure, ba, it's the same thing with the others, okay? There's no difference. For kuru, kure, kureba. Okay, that's it. That's how simple that is. Okay. Shikan wa muzukashii deshou ka? Shikan wa muzukashii deshou ka? Will the exam be difficult? Tango oboereba daijoubu dayo. If you memorize the words, that is the condition, you should be alright. And this is the guaranteed consequence. So, oboereba comes from oboeru, oboeru. So, oboeru, oboere, oboereba. Tango oboereba daijoubu dayo. So, here, A is the condition and B is the guaranteed consequence. And usually, B is a good consequence. Okay? So, it is a positive consequence, not a negative one. For example, hashireba, if you run, hashireba densha ni maniaimasu. Hashireba densha ni maniaimasu. If you run, you'll be able to catch the train. Another is arukeba densha ni okuremasu. If you walk, you'll be late for the train. So this is kind of odd because the consequence is in the negative. Instead, we can use aruitara if aruitara densha ni okuremasu. And this is acceptable because this is only conditional. Okay, again, for ba clause, A is the condition and B is the good guaranteed consequence. Okay? Since this pattern implies a good result, it is usually used as a good advice for A. Kono kusuri o nomeba, if you take this medicine, daijoubu desu. Kono kusuri o nomeba daijoubu desu. If you take this medicine, you should be alright. So here we use words like daijoubu, as a sort of giving good advice. So nomeba comes from nomu, nome, nomeba. Sensei ni kekaba, if you ask the teacher, iin desu. Okay, so these are two pieces of advice, and we use daijoubu and iin desu. Kikeba comes from kike, kikeba. Sensei ni kekeba iin desu. If you ask the teacher, everything will be fine. We also have the negative form, that is nai form of the verb. Nai, drop I, and then change with kereba. For example, aru, the nai form is nai, and then nakereba. Suru, shinai, shinakereba. Okay? Alright, let's practice. Now we're going to match these two using ba, the ba form of the verb. For example, kono kusuri o nomu, and then genki ni narimasu. If you take this medicine, you will be okay. So how do we do this? How do we connect this using ba? Kono kusuri o nomeba genki ni narimasu. If you take this medicine, you will be okay. Okay, next. Kaze o fuku, wind blows. And this is connected with suzushiku narimasu. Suzushiku narimasu. Kaze o fukeba suzushiku narimasu. If the wind blows, it will be cool, certainly. Kaze o fukeba suzushiku narimasu. Next, shiken ga nai. There is no exam. And this is connected to asobi ni ikemasu. So, shiken ga nakereba asobi ni ikemasu. Shiken ga nakereba asobi ni ikemasu. So this is the knife form, a negative form. Drop hiragana I and add kereba. Next, hashiru, to run. So this is combined with jugyo ni maniaimasu. Jugyo ni maniaimasu. So how do you say, if you run, you will be in time for class? This is hashireba. So hashireba jugyo ni maniaimasu. Hashireba jugyo ni maniaimasu. Maniaimasu. If you run, you'll be in time for class. Next, tomodachi ni denwa suru. Call a friend. So this is connected with mukai ni kite kurimasu. So if you call a friend, he will come pick you up. Tomodachi ni denwa sureba. If you call a friend, mukai ni kite kurimasu. He will come pick you up. If you call a friend, he or she will come pick you up. Tomodachi ni denwa sureba mukai ni kite kurimasu. Next, mudatsukai shinai. Don't waste. And this is connected to You can buy what you want. Mudatsukai shinai. So this is in the nai form, a negative form. And this is mudatsukai shinakereba. If you don't waste money. So it means to waste money. Mudatsukai shinakereba hoshii mono ga kaemasu. If you don't waste money, you can buy what you want. Mudatsu shinakereba hoshii mono ga kaemasu. And of course, this is the last combination. If you prepare for a lesson, you will understand the class well. 予習をすれば授業がよくわかります。予習をすれば授業がよくわかります。If you prepare for the lesson, you will understand the class well. Okay? Or if I prepare for a lesson, I will understand the class well. Alright, thank you for listening and watching, and if you like my videos and my channel, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment in the comment section below. I will be posting more Japanese grammar videos in the near future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something.